Hello dear students, welcome back. Myself Dr. Jyoti Shegokar. You are welcome in my channel Chemistry in Engineering, and our today's topic of discussion is industrial biochemical technology. Without wasting a time, we'll move directly towards our topic. So here, industrial biochemical technology, guys, this word itself indicates that it is the biochemical technology, means with the use of different biological agents. Chemical technology is done, means technical improvements, technical developments are carried out with the help of biological agents in industrial level. So in industrial level, whenever it is a large level, on the commercial level, if the different type of processes are done, so these are helpful for each and everyone in the society or in this on the earth. So industrially, the what type of improvements are there? Industrially, these all processes are carried out. So this is the main concept. Under it, the main effect or consequence of this carrying out all this process is that it is totally environment friendly process. The products which are produced, they are totally substitute for some hazardous products like fossil fuels, like for a greenhouse gas. So there is no emission of greenhouse gas, there is no emission of some hazardous gases which are responsible for the distracting the environment. So this is a very important concept which must be studied on any type of level. So as it is for our study, we must have to study, but also it is helpful for the different people or in the society also. Okay, so we will move directly towards our topic. So under the industrial biochemical technology, we have seen in the last lecture also that the first process of fermentation. So after fermentation, there are three main processes in this particular point, that fermentation, then the second one is a biofuels, and third one is a bioplastic. So these are the very important applications of industrial biochemical technology. So already, as we have seen, by fermentation, we will move towards biofuels. Now, what type of actually products which are there as a biofuels? So as this word bio and fuels, so fuels are produced there. We know that fuels are the power giving, energy giving substances present on the earth, but particularly the fuels which are non-renewable, which can be when once used and then cannot be used number of times, and as well as the another type of fuels which are renewable. So biofuels are totally renewable. They are the substitute for the non-renewable energy sources. So they are very important to study. Now, how they are produced? They are produced in presence of or from the plants, algae or waste. So all these are the waste materials. There will no require the more cost, or it is not very expensive. So simply from the plants, from the algae, from the waste, plant waste, agricultural waste, these products can be produced. So under these biofuels, there are three examples given. Number one, bioethanol is one of the very important biofuel. Then biodiesel, which is a substitute for our fossil diesel. And third is a biogas, which is used from a long time in our country as well as on the earth. Okay, so first is a bioethanol. Bioethanol, as it is a ethanol, it must be produced by the process of fermentation of the different type of agricultural waste. But before fermentation, there is one process occurs which is called as a saccharification. Saccharification means conversion of some complex compounds into some simpler one, so that the fermentation will be very easily possible. So corns, which are as a fodder, which are then sugar cane, which is a biological product, and some cellulosic type of material. So when these all the three types of materials, they undergo the process of saccharification to convert the main sugar into the some simpler one, and then carries out the process of fermentation, where there is a formation of some bioethanol is there, which is helpful for the as a fuel, which is main substitute for the bio, or which is the main substitute for the gasoline, that is for the petrol. So it is a very important application it has. So second is a biodiesel. So biodiesel, at that word is having the word diesel, so there is a production of diesel and it is a main substitute for the fossil diesel. Okay, so how this biodiesel is produced? It is produced by the process of trans-esterification. Different type of oils which are not of use, they are reacted with ethanol, with the alcohol, and production of the biodiesel, as well as as a byproduct glycerin is produced there. So in this esterification process, mainly the vegetable oil, animal oil, and recycled cooking oil is there. So these three oils, when they are mixed or reacted with each other in presence of particular alcohol, there is a formation of a biodiesel, which is a main substitute for the main diesel, and as a byproduct there is a glycerin. While the third, its name is a biogas. So biogas, it is a very well known product. It is produced from manure, just cow dung or dung of all the type of cattles, the manure, then food waste, which is from the food industries or from the household, and third is a sewage sludge. It may be also from industries or from the household. So these all are the wastes, guys. So from the waste we are going to get a lot energy. So these are the very, very important processes. So from manure, from food waste, and from the sewage sludge, there is a formation of a methane rich biogas, which can be this process can be carried out on the household level also. So this is a totally anaerobic type of reaction, that is, in absence of oxygen this process is possible. Then so in this way, there is a formation of the different type of products, and this main first bioethanol, it is carried out in presence of some microorganisms, that is yeast and bacteria, while the second process occurs in presence of alcohol, and third is totally in absence of oxygen, that products which are there, or as a reactant which are there, products of the household thing, they are reacting with each other in presence of each other. So in this way, formation of all the three types of products are there. Then it has a very main two applications, as these are the biofuels. So first is a transportation, and second one is a power generation. Transportation means as a fuel in the vehicles it can be used. So mainly that I already said you that bioethanol, biodiesel, these are the main product which are there for the transportation. So bioethanol, it replaces totally gasoline, while the biodiesel, it replaces the diesel type of fossil fuel. So in this way it is very much helpful. While second is a power generation. In power generation, as for the formation of electricity also it can be used. So for the not only for the heat, particularly all the examples may be there, heat and power, that is electricity also produced. So in this way, the very small and sweet concept is there, but it is very, very important for your study as well as for the different on our social level also. It is very important to study and use also. So guys, here we have completed our topic. If you like this topic or these concepts which are there in our channel, so like each and every video. If you want to get such type of videos, hit the bell button by subscribing the channel, as well as share to your friends who are requiring this such type of videos. So guys, thank you for staying with me. Thank you very much once again.